What's up, everyone? Today we got Mark Rice here. We're in Columbus, Ohio. What's your investment experience?
So my main investment strategy is I try to own in like A and B class neighborhoods. It's just a little bit less headaches to manage. It's more stable.
And the reason why you can buy in A and B class is because you generate the leads yourself. Like, you're getting a really good off-market deal, whereas most people who are looking on the MLS, if you're an A and B property, you're not getting a good deal for that, right?
It's very hot right now in the MLS, so I do a lot of cold calling. Automatically off the top, you're saving 6%. There's no agents involved. And I think with any new investor, I really do think you can invest in any market. It's really about the team you have there, the good investor-friendly agent, the property manager, the contractor, the lender. Like, that core four is really important. Someone who understands those neighborhoods, the prices, where the market's at, how to find the deals, especially off market.
And just so everyone else knows, Mark basically had like this whole process ready. He sent me over every contact you would need in Columbus. He sent me over a whole map with descriptions of, okay, past this street is a C area, past this street's a B- area. I did not get that in any of the other cities I went for.